welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. I have not done a makeup tutorial in so long. I have honestly lost motivation for a little bit just because I was just, you know, going through my life like pow pow pow, like I had to do this. I have seen so many looks like this on Instagram where it's like an orange or a brown with a pop of blue green, and if you know, I really love blue green, I really love blue, I really love teal. My beauty blender is even blue green. So I decided to jump on the bandwagon and do this look as well. The specific person that I saw his look and I really loved it so much is by Lavi Dun Prince, and he just did, it was kind of a soft cut crease and it was the orange and the teal. So I'm not trying to recreate it as good as that, but hopefully I did kind of match up to his level. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is the face we're starting with. I already put on my base, a little bit of contour, eyebrows, just to save a little bit of time. Today we are working with the Jaclyn Hill palette, which was released last year, I know, but Ulta just recently opened here in Hawaii and I made a trip and Chase got me a palette. I was gonna get the Vault, but they only had two, and honestly I didn't like those colors because they were like purple and I'm not really into purple. So we're using the Jaclyn HillxMorphe palette and these are all the colors inside. I have not touched them, I have not swatched them, and I don't know how good they really are. There's like a mix of good and bad reviews, so crazy right now, but I promise when it's all blended out it'll be fine. So all that took was two colors, but now we're gonna jump straight into the bright blue-green shade and we'll pick it up from there. So to save some time, I kind of skipped ahead a little bit. I did it on my left eye, so I'm going to show you on my right eye how I did it. shadows are hard to blend, so we'll work with it. I'm not loving the quality. I had so much fallout. So I advise when you use this palette, maybe use the those shield protectors under your eyes, or do your eyes first before you do your face. I'm just used to doing my face first before moving on to my eyes. Anyway, let me put on some lashes off camera, and then when I get back, let's do highlighter and blush, and then we'll finish off with lipstick. Okay guys, we are almost done. I have my lashes on. If you guys are wondering what pair I am wearing wearing We You Me from Live Laugh Love Lashes. They are based here on Oahu, and I'm gonna put their link down below, but they are an Instagram shop. So don't mind my lashes. This one is still drying a little bit, but we are gonna move on to highlighter. I am gonna use my favorite champagne pop from Becca Cosmetics, and this was actually broken and I had to repress it on there. So that's the situation going on. I'm just gonna take a dense kind of flat shader brush, and I'm gonna pick up some highlighter and first put it on my brow bone. Like, oh gosh. Like so. Like you can see how lifted my brow is compared to the one without highlighter. And then let's do the other side. Like that. And then we're also gonna highlight the inner corners just with the same brush. So we're gonna put on the highlight just a little, really quick, and then we're gonna jump into blush. We are gonna go with MAC Peaches right here because our eyes are already like really poppin'. Let's do with kind of a demure blush. We are gonna go back to our Becca highlighter. This time we are using a fluffier brush. This is the Morphe M510 to highlight the cheekbones, nose, and the cupid's bow. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with some Kylie Dolce K, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let's do some pros and cons before we finish. I really like the color selection. First of all, I feel like there's a good enough balance of colors that are like neutral and colors that are bright. Like some of these, there's like this really orange one right here, so that's bright enough for me, and the blues and the purples and the greens over on this area. So I think that's a good balance of neutrals and color. Price point, I think it's okay. I mean, I didn't really buy it for myself, it was a gift, but price point, I think it's okay for a Morphe brand with an influencer name on it. I think that's fine. The cons though are that they're really hard to blend. I had struggle with the green. I was struggling with the green one earlier. It was really patchy even though I had my concealer under to kind of have it cling on there. And then it was just hard to blend the two colors together when I was blending my orange and my my blue green. And oh, last, there's so much fallout. So if you're gonna do this look, I suggest, if you're gonna use this palette and do a dramatic look like this, I suggest doing your eyes first and then just doing your face after, because I had to clean up with baby wipes after. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!